Way back when in an earlier lecture, we were getting a breakdown, a really quick one, about the Microsoft Word ribbon. You recall, up at the top of the screen, we've got the Word ribbon. It's broken up into a series of tabs: Home, Insert, Design, Page Layout, and so on. Let's now take a closer look at the Home tab, because I want to talk about one of the features that you're going to be doing a lot of inside of Word is formatting. So, looking at the Home tab here, we've got formatting commands that deal with your font, like single letters, single characters, or perhaps a block of characters. Change their color, make them bold, italicize them, underline them, change their font size. Got everything that deals with the font itself. Right next door to it, we've got options for the paragraph. So this would be for perhaps this block of text right here, the entire thing. I want to change the alignment. Rather than being left justified, I want to make it right justified, or I want to center it on the page. I want to change the indentations that are happening within that paragraph. I just want to format that block of text. Well, then you're going to go into the paragraph formatting options. Now, in a later lecture, we're going to take a look at styles, which also deals with formatting. But styles, these are saved formatting. I want all of my headers throughout my 20-page document. All the headers should be blue. They should be 20-point size. They should be Garamond. They should be bold. Whatever it might be. But I want to save that off so that I can reuse it anytime I need to. That's what styles are all about. And we'll talk about those here shortly, a few more lectures down the road. Okay? So this is your Home tab. And the three big things out here, there's more, but the three big that I really want to get into coming up, you got your font, you got your paragraph, and then you got your styles. Those three little sections there, I can break them up right there. Okay? That's what I want to get into. All about formatting. Spicing up your document, making it look better. Whether they're single letters or words or entire paragraphs. Or perhaps you got larger documents and you want to save some formatting to reuse. Then styles is the name of the game. So get ready for this. We're going to jump in and take a look at formatting your document.